Bike shorts, baby. We're doing a styling video on bike shorts. I am so excited. For those of you babies out there, this trend is back. It is not new, it is back. I was born in '84 and man, wearing bike shorts was my jam. And I am so glad that they're back because they are super comfy. They are great for all different body types. And there's actually a lot of different ways that you can incorporate this into your wardrobe. And the last thing that is really important, you guys, is acknowledging the camel toe. I know, saying it makes me uncomfortable, but a camel toe will ruin any good outfit. That's the truth. So there are things out there that you can actually buy. They're like literally camel toe blockers, which I know sounds really weird, but it's kind of like a thin silicone pad that will go into your underwear and it creates a smooth line and it'll prevent any of that. The other option, which is like a super simple hack, is just a piece of paper towel. You definitely want paper towel, not toilet paper, because it's thicker and stiffer. And then you're just gonna fold it basically like into fourths, that size. And then you would just put that in your underwear. It's gonna expand the amount of outfits that you can actually wear because now you can wear like cropped t-shirts, cropped sweatshirts, things tied around your waist, a flannel tied up high. Like it just expands what you can wear. So let's get into it. I hope that you guys like this one. If you are brand new, I hope you'll subscribe to the channel and click notifications, all that good stuff. I do new videos every Friday. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy. All right, let's start off with the look that is the most popular, and that is the oversized tee, bike shorts, and sneakers. You can see I've been wearing it a lot lately. So the most important thing here is proportions. You only want a little bit of your bike shorts to stick out, so if your shirt isn't super long, you're gonna wanna kind of hike those up a little bit and hide it under the tee. I always love cuffing the sleeves of my big tees. It just gives a little bit of a better shape. Now I'm gonna be wearing my brand new white Fila sneakers. They are perfectly 80s and perfect for this. This is a tee that I've been working on, a little bit of crystal studding. I've got a ways to go, but it's a fun one. So another option is obviously doing the half tuck. It's going to just pull up part of the shirt and create a little bit more shape. Really up to you. I like wearing it out like this. All right, on to the next look. Now, this is straight out of my 4th grade life where I am actually wearing my bike shorts under jean shorts. That is right. The thing that I actually love about this is it's a really functional way of wearing it because it allows you to still wear those really short shorts, but if you're a little insecure about that upper thigh, it gives you a little bit of coverage. I looked in the mirror and I kind of like the way it looked with one button undone, being able to see that black bra. It sort of ties in with the black shorts and kind of anchors it. Now I've got a big oversized statement necklace, which is really fun. And take your time in the mirror, making sure that your proportions are right. Again, bike shorts are really all about proportions. So for this, I only want a few inches sticking out. So I kind of hike them up a little bit so that I've got the right distance. And you can see I'm wearing a pair of ankle boots. They've got a tiny heel, but not much. This is not something I'd wear with like pumps. I feel like that could be a little cheesy, but a simple little ankle boot that gives you a little lift is going to make your legs look really great, but it's still going to keep it looking nice and mellow. Looks super cute from the back, super cute from the front. This is really one of my favorite. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of an athleisure look. This is actually like a corset, like athletic top. It's like a spandexy top. It's meant to be worn almost as a sports bra. Just with these camo shorts alone is actually a really cute look, but I'm gonna double up on the color. I'm gonna commit to my sort of army color tone here and really commit to it all the way through. So I've got not only the slides, but I've also got the jacket. The reason I like this jacket with it is it's a mixed green. So it not only, like it ties in perfectly with the camo, which I really like because it has those different shades of green. So it matches really well and I sort of have this really cool overall army colored vibe. These camo shorts, you guys, are one of my favorite. All of the shorts are linked down below, but this is probably one of my favorite pairs. I absolutely love it. I tried tying this around my waist and my jacket was too poofy, but if you guys have a better bomber jacket, tie it around your waist. That's a great look as well. And now we're gonna do an all blue, sort of all denim tone. So not only am I wearing a denim button-down shirt, but I'm also wearing the bike shorts that are kind of a cool, like smoky denim blue, a gray blue. I'm gonna double it up by doing my DIY mixed denim jacket. This is my go-to denim jacket. And I actually think it looks really good in this look because of the mixed denim. I've got those pops of light denim, dark denim, medium tone. So everything is sort of within this overall tone. And in a weird way, it's actually not too matchy-matchy because I'm just sort of tying in all these different tones. I grabbed sneakers. These are brand new from Aqua. I'll link them below. They were like 60% off. And they look great because, again, they're in that neutral tone. You could swap them out, though. These are the DIY ones I did in my live DIY last week. They've got some crystals, again, which will tie in the blue. And it's a fun option to add a little sparkle. This is also really great if you want to tie that jacket around your waist for some more shape. Again, I unbuttoned one button and kind of yanked it, so it was like a low V-neck top. The front tie gave a really flattering shape with my sparkly heels. So really, you can wear it any way you want. Swap out all the details. All right, this is gonna be perfect for fall. I don't know what that white dot is on my sweater. It's a mystery. This is a great look for fall, you guys. A super cozy, oversized sweater with your bike shorts. Any color sweater, any color bike shorts, a cardigan. I mean, really, it's gonna look great. And again, it's about the proportions. So I decided here to do a little pair of ankle boots, my like little moto ankle boots. They felt very fall to me. This would look great with a big hat. I gave a try at sort of throwing the leather jacket over my shoulders, but I could barely move. It looked stupid. So I was like, meh, and I just took it off. It was a good idea, but it didn't work. I think like maybe a mid-calf length, like tailored jacket would look super cute. I kept my hair tucked into the collar for a faux bob, but honestly, this is super comfy and super cute. All right, guys, on to the next. Now, if this was the 80s, I would be doing this on the outside of my bike shorts, but I'm not going to. So I put the bodysuit together, and really it's like almost, I felt like a superhero. It's like a really sleek, cool look. So I decided to grab my big, over-the-top, sort of like 90s chunky grunge boots that I have and a leather jacket. I really just went for this look and I really like it. I think there's an opportunity to do like a cool chain belt, something that kind of hangs and dangles around the body. You don't need to match your hardware on your jacket, but you could. So if I had a silver one, I'd probably throw a silver one on. It just felt really cool and really sexy. I like the shape that it created. I like the all black. I feel like I could wear this out at night on a date night, or I could wear it during the day. I took my DIY belt just to see if I liked the way this looked, and I'm like so on it. I actually think a chain belt would be better, but I was dancing around my room because really I felt like a superhero. Okay, this is kind of like the first look we did with the oversized tee. This is another one of the most classic, simple, always gonna work looks. I grabbed my white Fila chunky sneakers, I grabbed my oversized South Central Hills sweatshirt, and my red bike shorts. And again, it's really just, you can like crop the sweatshirt if you want, you can wear it long, you can wear it however you want here, but this is really just about a cozy look that still is like kind of cool, whereas you couldn't really do this with a pair of like baggy shorts or jean shorts because you'd be really heavy on top. So it gives nice shape and proportion. The top is heavy, the bottom's dainty. All right, the blazer look. Guys, this is a really great one. This is all about an oversized blazer with your bike shorts. Again, you can see I'm hiking them up in order to create a more flattering proportion. I don't want them to be too long. I actually wish that my blazer was a little longer and a little more oversized than this because the proportions would have been easier. I'm grabbing my nude sock boots just to give me a little bit of height, but not anything too like fancy looking. This would be great with tons of jewelry, a great purse. You could wear this to work. And again, this is really just about taking an oversized blazer from the thrift store or that you have in your closet. Any colored bike shorts are gonna work with it. Really just keeping kind of a sophisticated look, and it's fun. It's really quite the trend right now. All right, and this is our last look. So this is kind of a like 3-for-1 look. I'm wearing my army green biker shorts with a Calvin Klein sports bra. This in and of itself is a really cute look, like just going to work out. But I thought adding a flannel would be really fun. Now, this is a flannel that I dyed in my ombre dyed flannel video, and the first look I had was just tied around the waist, like as an accessory. It creates a great shape. It makes your waist look super small. It gives a little bit of color, a little bit of coverage if you don't want to be that exposed. You could also wear it open almost like a jacket or like a vest. Open, again, you're gonna see that sports bra. It shows just a little bit of skin, a little bit of color, and it kind of drapes open, and it's a really casual, sort of like effortless look. You could also tie it. That's another option, wearing it more like cropped, so it's like a high-waisted one. You're seeing more of the shorts. And then the last one would be buttoning the whole thing up. So again, it's like the oversized tee look. So this is gonna give you so many different options. I wish I had thought to put a beanie on. I think it would have been really cute for fall, beanie and maybe some boots. That's it, guys. That's our last look. We're done.